Jasmine, please. Yes.
Jasmine rice. Jasmine or orange.
There you go. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Okay, so you gotta hold on to that.
Yeah. Alright.
Here we go. Stick it into neutral.
Let the fun begin.
Yeah. More this way?
Another boring video, everybody. There's a happy face right there.
Okay.
Evacuate! Evacuate!
The guy's
Oh wait.
checking you out. He's like, hey, they're filming it.
Yeah, you're on candid camera. You're on camera. Just enjoy your ride. Like Disneyland. Not car farm. Car wash. Candyland. I like it when they spray this stuff on the cars, different colors, and it smells like bubblegum. These things here, huh? How about that? It's getting exciting now, huh? Wow! Look at this. This is kind of neat. Yes. Yes. It's creeping across. Oh my goodness, we're covered in. What is that thing? Oh. That was kind of mean.
And look at the colors. Look at the colors. See all the different colors?
Whoa! Look at the colors. This is like cotton candy at the fair. That cheap stuff. Pumping the car. Now it's like stuck. There we go. Clean it off now. How are you enjoying this, sir?
Yeah. Roller coaster
Not as much as a hamburger.
A hamburger and a 7-Up.
Jet engine, everybody.
It's up there.
Underneath the jet engine, I guess. I don't know what the heck. Turbulence, everybody, turbulence. That was refreshingly weird. That was a pretty high-tech one, huh?
I think so. Check it out, the people that are actually cleaning.
More high-tech than Reedley, that is.
Best auto blast.
Alright, is this the end of the video?
Yeah.
Alright.
See you guys. Bye. I'll see you in 2 weeks.